Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Today we're off on a little Christmas adventure in the Lemon. Got some roof bars, we're going to go and get a tree. So let's go everybody, and Merry Christmas. So I picked up these full roof bars from a chap on Facebook called Sachin, sorry if I've butchered your name there, dude. He's got a nice Mk2, follow him on Instagram. He's silver_surfer_dub, nice little car. So we're going to get these in the car and we're going to go on our adventure.
Sometime later.
Been all over 3 different places. Finally found somewhere in Chirstmas. This is what we want. These dudes. One of these. Let's measure up. There she is. We've got one. There are lights on it, but yeah, you don't really get the effect in the daytime. But hey, the girl's first journey to get a tree. What a nice little adventure. Well, I made it back without the tree falling off. Got quite the desired aesthetic effect I wanted. Still looks pretty cute, I think, or just silly, not sure. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks to my wonderful wife for joining me in this when she's not feeling very well. Hopefully it's not made her any worse. It took a lot longer than we expected. Nowhere seems to have any trees. Got one in the end though. Thank you all for watching this year, and for everyone who's been following, hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.